So my typical day of work, it varied a lot between the commercial side and the military side. As far as a typical day of commercial was, I would come in to work and I would grab a packet, and in that packet had various blueprints and special instructions for a project to be built. Sometimes they would be a couple hours to a couple weeks to complete the projects. Um, it was imperative to be able to read the blueprints and interpret them so that my piece would come out as the engineers had planned it to. Once I had my packet, it was my responsibility to select my raw materials, unless, on occasion some were previously cut by special machines. But most of the time we would go out on the floor and you select your material from racks on the wall or sheets on the floor, and you would begin your layout and process that raw material into the piece that you had to make. As far as for the military side, it varied a lot from day to day. We did everything from special modifications to pieces of military equipment to addressing safety concerns around shops and other buildings on the post or installation. Um, we also designed and fabricated many pieces just to be used as items around the base, especially during deployment when we didn't have items, as convenient for use. Um, but most of it was very centered around upgrading, and it was all very important to have those precise measurements to make sure that everything added up in the end.